Did you know that turmeric can help in the recovery of your taste and smell after COVID? The sensory impact caused by the new coronavirus is still being studied, and so far, olfactory training has proven to be the best strategy. We teach you how to do it in the video that will be suggested at the end for you to watch. But why do some people lose their sense of smell and taste after COVID-19? Total loss of smell, anosmia, is a common symptom of coronavirus infection. It is worth noting that, apart from the significant impact on the worsening quality of life, it has been associated with exposure to risky situations. This is because the lack of smell makes people more vulnerable to dangers such as fire, gas leaks, and food poisoning. This health problem occurs when the coronavirus infects the cells that support the sensory neurons in the nose. Regarding how the coronavirus compromises taste, ageusia is even less known. Some studies suggest that the loss of both senses occurs due to inflammation in the olfactory bulbs. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. And now, what you most want to know: how to recover your taste and smell after COVID. Most people who have had COVID-19 and lost their sense of smell and taste recover their senses in about a month. However, in some cases, improvement occurs more slowly, up to 6 months. To complicate matters, this process is often unpleasant. Some people, as they regain their sense of smell, report smelling very bad odors. Regarding the use of medications, there is still nothing effective to treat anosmia and ageusia. However, according to studies, turmeric, which has long been considered by some as a powerful natural remedy with medicinal properties, can be a faster and safer relief for anosmia and ageusia. According to this study, after taking a dose of 1,000 milligrams of turmeric supplement, it was possible to recover taste and smell in COVID-19 infected patients. So, how about consuming a good turmeric supplement? Also, continue training your sense of smell as we explain in the video that you can watch below. I hope you get better.